Hi everyone, I'm Ross, your mattress expert from RealMattressReviews.com. Today I'm excited to unbox and give you guys my first impression of the Logan Cove by Novosbed. So Novosbed is a Canadian company. They shipped the original Novosbed to the United States. This Logan Cove is going to primarily ship just in Canada for the time being, but if you're interested in this potentially, pay attention to the review. Eventually they are going to be shipping to the United States. So this mattress is a substantial 15-inch thick hybrid mattress with a knife cut pillow top. I'll explain what a knife cut pillow top is once we get it opened up versus a Eurotop pillow top. So this mattress uses gel infused memory foam and silk fill in the pillow top, and it uses a pocketed coil unit, so it will have very good motion reduction compared to a traditional innerspring. Novosbed offers a 120-night sleep trial on this mattress with a 10-year warranty, and the queens come in at $9.99 Canadian, which is a really good deal for such a substantial mattress. So this is a very luxury mattress, and they say here Canada's best priced luxury mattress, and I think it's probably going to be true. I haven't reviewed a ton of Canadian mattresses. However, coming in at $9.99 Canadian for a 15-inch hybrid mattress, this should be a very fantastic value. Once I do, I'll push on the foam and lay on the mattress for the first time and give you guys my first impression on how I think the mattress feels and the quality of the manufacturing. So I'll go ahead and get it popped open. This box is really tall, so it's definitely going to be helpful to have two people. In addition to being tall, it's also a heavy mattress. Alright everyone, we've got it all opened up. It's fully expanded for the most part. As I mentioned earlier, this is a knife cut pillow top. What I mean by that is essentially this. It is sliced, it looks like it's knife cut. It gives it this nice pillowy look. It looks like a true pillow top, whereas a Eurotop would just be straight down. And so for the most part, it's tailoring, but I, for one, on my show floor, sell way more of these knife cut looking pillow tops versus the Eurotop, mainly because of just how they look. They look a little more luxurious. It looks like a real pillow top. So I haven't felt the foams or laid on a mattress yet at all, so what I'll do first is we'll push on the foam, take a look at the response. So pretty quick. There's a memory foam layer in the pillow top that's going to be a little bit slower, but it's quick enough, and it has a quilting foam on top, so you're not going to get a stuck feeling like you sometimes can laying directly on memory foam. I like mattresses that use a quilt. So this cover is nice and soft. It feels very durable. It's got this nice Logan Cove written into the, or stitched into the cover. We'll look at the edges here. Really dense foam encasement around the outside. That's going to provide good edge support. So I'll just lay on it for the first time. Oh, the top feels really nice. I really like the quilting foam on it. We'll dive more into the construction later, but it's a silk fill in the quilt, so it's got a really nice luxurious feel on top. And right when I lay here, I sink into the quilt and the memory foam kind of reacts. It feels really supportive here in my lower back. It's just got a really luxurious feel. I would say it's about a 6 out of 10, with 10 being the firmest. So it is kind of right in that sweet spot. It's got a softness to it, but supportive at the same time. Feels like it'll work really nicely on my side. Definitely firm enough where it's going to work really good on my back or my stomach as well. But I'm loving that more of these companies are coming out with these, substantial mattresses instead of just the 10-inch foam design. So this mattress is going to work really good for all body weights as well, and the firmness level I think is going to work great for combination sleepers. Just do a quick edge support test here. Really good edge support on this. As you would expect, the comfort layers are sinking in, but as soon as I hit that foam encasement, it's super durable on the edge. So the design, the thickness, and the quality of this is also going to make it a great option for heavier sleepers. I usually don't recommend thin foam mattresses for heavier people. But overall, this is really durable. It looks like it's got handles on the sides that will assist in moving the mattress or spinning the mattress, which I recommend doing, you know, periodically, especially if there's two people in the bed and you weigh different weights, just because then you'll get, you know, less body impressions and stuff like that when you're not laying in the same spot all the time. So overall, this seems like a very luxury mattress for $9.99 Canadian. So the price is really competitive, very substantial. There's a lot of mattress here for that price. We're gonna do a full comprehensive review on the Logan Cove coming up, so stay tuned for that. As I mentioned earlier, currently they're just shipping this one in Canada, but they are looking to expand it into the United States eventually, so it is a good option to maybe keep your eye on, or potentially contact them and they might be able to work something out where they can get it shipped to you in the United States as well. So what happens next is we will start a sleep trial on this. We'll give it at least, you know, 4 or 5 days to a week where we'll sleep on the mattress, and then we'll report back with the performance, how it performed for us, and who I think this might be a great choice for. But right off the bat, I think it's an excellent choice for anybody looking for a hybrid mattress. It's very substantial, it's very competitively priced, and you can tell it uses very good components, good memory foam, the luxurious fill in the quilt, luxurious cover, super durable edge support. So stay tuned for the full review. I really appreciate you guys watching this video. Head back to realmattressreviews.com. We have tons of other great reviews. And on the right hand side of the screen, there's a tab that says Mattress Concierge. Click that tab. Maybe you're stuck between a couple brands. Maybe you're starting from scratch and you just want some suggestions. Shoot me a message with some information about yourselves, and I'll personally write back with some suggestions that I think might work great for you. All right, guys, thanks for watching.